At special treat po para sa atin. Kasama po natin ngayon ang Cover Boys. Hottest all-male performance group sa Pilipinas. Kaya handa nyo na po yung mga videotape ninyo, lahat DVD. May videotape pa ba ngayon? Anyway, they will be performing in Hayward, California this Saturday sa Chabot College. Kasama natin ngayon, Jake Cuenca, Rafael Rosel, Zanjo Marudo, Victor Basa, and John Avila. At special guest po, ang sikat maganda na singer-host, ating pong kapamilya, si Nikki Hill. Guys, welcome!
Thank you for having us.
Tickets.
Showbiz ngayon ng showbiz ngayon ng Balitang Amerika. I'm sure kinikilig ang mga kapamilya natin. Kapamilya, kung kayo po'y kinikilig sa panonood pala ng TV, I tell you, kung mas gwapo sila at mas maganda pa sila in person. Yan. Ngayon, Cover Girls, actually you do have 9 members. So, sino pa yung wala dito?
Wala si Will Devon. Yan, hi Will. John James, Uy, Marvin Raimundo, and Ron Morales.
Yan. Nasaan sila ngayon?
Nasa Philippines po. Bale, nagtitaping po sila.
Okay. You know, very, very successful lang inyong grupo. Masyado kayong pinag-uusapan. Totoo ba na dahil sa success na ito, medyo nagkakabangayan na daw kayo?
Actually,
Nag-aaway.
si
Aminin.
Rafael lang at saka si Johnny nag-aaway lang.
Nag-aaway kami.
No.
Sorry, we were just joking, man.
No, we're just joking. We never fight. I mean, we don't compete with each other at all. We support each other with everything we do.
Yes.
I'm better than you.
Kumbaga, we
though.
don't
Papagalingan po
compete
kami.
with each other. We complete each other.
Oh, you're very deep in Victor.
Vic is the best.
Now, yung first performance po nila sa Music Museum in the Philippines last May was such a huge mega hit. Ito rin ba yung maaasahan nila? Balita ko, merong controversial dito na shower scene. Sino nag-shower sa inyo?
All of us. Lahat po kami magsashower.
Mga dancers na girls. Pero ngayon, total, wala kaming kasama mga dancers. Si Nikki Hill ang gagawin.
Papapaligo sa akin.
All right. So, what do they expect in this concert of yours, in this show of yours?
Yeah, they're just siguro they just expect to have fun.
Yeah,
We always say we're not the best singers or the best dancers, pero we know how to make people have fun. Kaya yun. So everyone who goes there, we're promising that you guys are just gonna enjoy and be happy.
Yes.
Okay,
Siyempre, si Nikki kasama namin.
Siyempre si Nikki. Siya
Alright,
magaling
ito
sumayaw
gusto ko
at
tanungin
kumanta.
kay Nikki. Kasi kayo lahat, macho-macho lahat kayo dito. At pagkatapos meron kayong Rose sa gitna ng mga barakong ito. Nikki, how does it feel to be working with these guys?
It feels,
Swerte ka.
maswerte talaga ako. Maswerte
Oh, kinaiingitan ka ng mga
ng
kadalagahan
mga
dyan,
girls.
di ba?
Naku, feeling ko nga maraming magagalit sa akin. But, it feels good. I feel like a princess in the midst of these gentlemen, kahit medyo maharot sila. And we're very, very excited because talagang pinaghandaan to ng Cover Boys and myself. We really rehearsed for this and we're looking forward to giving everyone here in our Filipino kapamilyas here a good show.
Ano yung, ay, mga kapamilya, si Nikki po ay anak ng classmate ko nung high school.
Yeah.
Ayan. Kaya only 12 years old ka palang iha, di ba?
Yes, when we first met.
But anyway, ano yung ine-expect natin dito na elements ng production na talagang titilian at kapananabikan ng mga kapamilya natin?
Well, it's like ASAP live. ASAP, para siyang ASAP but here in the States. And talagang pinaghandaan to ng bonggang-bongga ng mga boys. You will be seeing a lot of skin. And a lot of singing, a lot of dancing. And hair. Oo, kailangan kayo ng kumain. It's part of the contract.
Okay. Invite our kapamilya sa concert ninyo.
Our first stop niya is in August 2, 7:30 at Chabot College, Hayward, California. Where do we get the tickets,
You
man?
get the tickets by calling Lighthouse Entertainment.
Perfect.
And we'll be in Pickwick Theatre, Chicago, Illinois.
Just
On the August 8th for tickets called Jereli Productions.
The
yeah,
verb.
there you go.
At syempre sa August 9, which is on a Saturday, LA Grand Theater po kami. You can contact
Sino?
Cats Entertainment.
Yun.
Yes,
Entertainment.
Be there.
Please call.
So these are all in California?
Oh, well, there's one in Chicago. There's one in
Chicago,
yeah.
California. How about yung East Coast? Baka magselos naman yung mga kapamilya natin doon. Any plans of bringing this to the East Coast?
Maybe the second.
Well,
There
soon,
will be a
soon.
second leg.
Yeah, there'll be a second leg
Pagbalik
soon.
po namin doon naman sa East Coast.
O siya,
Yeah,
pagbalik
yeah.
nyo, balik din kayo dito sa Balitang Amerika.
Siyempre,
Alright, maraming salamat. Cover girls, no? Cover boys.
And cover girl.
And cover girl, Nikki Hill. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank
And
you
good luck.
very much for having us.